Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I've got from the shop for my kids. It is Lego Friends Friendship Bus 41395. It's Lego Heart City Toy Playset Building Kit. This is actually a huge set, so it's more suitable for the kids who are 8 plus. This brick-built bus is big on its features. This offers endless creative scenarios for kids who love imaginative play and collecting cool vehicles. What do you get when you mix an old London bus with a dollhouse and a sprinkling of Friends magic? It's the Lego Friends Friendship Bus. There is room inside this toy bus for all their stuff, their essential travel items, and most importantly, their best friends. This action packed playset lets kids explore all the elements of an exciting road trip, from repairing and customizing the bus to stargazing from the top deck, which slides back to the mini doll beds, wildlife spotting, zipping down the slide, or relaxing in the pool. My kids are opening this and taking all the stuff outside. This comes with a detailed manual. My kids are going to build this fantastic playset. I hope this takes lots of time because it has plenty of Lego bricks. They'll have few hours of busy playtime. Ta-da! This is the toy bus. How beautiful it is! The top part of the toy bus slides back neatly for easy access to the cool living areas below. This toy bus comes with 3 Lego friends. They are Stephanie, Mia and Olivia, and lots of mini doll accessories. They are a hamster figure, a laptop, camera, pan, egg, decorative tiles, blanket, biscuit and many more. Come on, let's see some of its attractive features. There's a raised bed for budding gardeners. Swimming pool slides out from beneath the bus. Hinged roofs allows to easy access to the bedrooms. Removable tennis net to have fun outside the bus. Telescope and laptop will definitely extend the play further. And slide for fast fun. This is definitely a creativity filled holiday, birthday or any day gift for the kids who are 8 plus and who likes mini dolls, adventure and playhouses. Do you like this playset? Please share your comments. I hope this video is useful for you to explore more good products around you. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.